So, you applied a Silane Siloxane sealer and now you're seeing dark spots on the surface. Or maybe the concrete feels sticky or greasy. What's going on? Let's talk about it. Okay, first, let's just break it down. Silane siloxane sealers are penetrating sealers designed to chemically react to concrete, creating a hydrophobic barrier inside the pores. They don't form a film, they don't leave a coating, and they aren't supposed to change the look or color of the concrete. Their job is to work below the surface, protecting the concrete from water absorption, freeze-thaw cycles, and de-icing salts. Now you might be wondering, if these sealers don't alter the appearance, why do dark spots sometimes appear? And why can the surface feel sticky or greasy after the application? Well, these are great questions. So let's start with dark spots. The most common cause? Over-application. When too much sealer is applied, the excess material that doesn't react gets left behind on the surface. It dries there, creating those dark spots. But over-application isn't the only reason this happens. Some other causes include leftover residue from a previous sealer or coating, traces of a cleaner that weren't fully rinsed away, or even bleach residue from cleaning. Water in the pores at the time of application can also be a problem. If the sealer is exposed to water or any other liquid before it has fully reacted, dark spots can form. Chlorine, salt water, and pool chemicals can interfere with the sealer's reaction as well. And if an acid-based cleaner was used but not properly neutralized, pH imbalances in the concrete can also lead to discoloration. Sometimes it's tough to pinpoint the exact cause, especially if the applicator isn't sure about the concrete's condition or history. Now, in some cases, dark spots will fade over time. In others, they'll need to be cleaned using a degreaser, coating remover, or even a mechanical removal process. If a Silane siloxane sealer was applied over an existing coating, the coating itself may need to be removed before you can get rid of the dark spots. So if you need to fix the issue right away, you may need to test different cleaners or removers to find the most effective solution. Alright, now it's time to talk about that sticky or greasy residue. While it's rare, it can happen after applying a Silane siloxane sealer. You won't see it, you'll only feel it. Many of the same factors that cause dark spots can also contribute to this residue, but the fix is a little different. If you catch it early, you can usually remove the excess material with a pressure washer and a degreaser before it has a chance to fully absorb. But if the residue sits too long, it can turn into dark spots, and removing it may require additional cleaning methods. At the end of the day, dark spots and sticky residue are almost always caused by application errors. So the best way to avoid them? Make sure the concrete is properly prepped, cleaned, and unsealed before applying the sealer. Always apply it correctly, and to be safe, test a small area first to make sure it's compatible with the surface and won't cause any unexpected changes in appearance. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope this gave you the answers that you were looking for. And for more great videos and to get professional-grade concrete sealers and coatings, visit www.foundationarmor.com. And I'll see you next time.